Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an ornament wreath. So I've made this one for Christmas, or you could really do this for any season. So if you wanted to do a winter one, you could do this with white and silver balls. Mine ended up being red and gold because that's the colors I used last year, and I decided to switch up my tree this year and go for more of a white silver theme. So I used my leftovers, and here's what it looks like. I'm so excited. Dun, 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 dun. I absolutely love this. I was like, you know what? I don't even want to put this outside. I just want to keep it on my pantry door so I can look at this because I never come through my front door. I only come through really my garage door. So it's like I don't really ever get to see this. But I just absolutely love this. Can you believe this cost $8? I saw this on Etsy. Pretty much the exact same thing on Etsy, and guess how much it cost? $200. I spent $8 on this whole entire thing. I bought most of the stuff from the Dollar Tree. Used whatever ornaments I had laying around that were extra from last year that didn't fit on the tree. These ones are my absolute favorite. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love them because I feel like they pull the gold and red colors together. So without further ado, if you'd like to learn how to make this for yourself, please keep watching.
So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some ornaments. These are my ornaments I had left over from last year, and in the tubes are the ornaments I got from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need a wreath base that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So your first step is going to be taking the ornaments and just gluing them on to the wreath base. So what you want to do, you want to do this in like 3 layers. So we're going to do the first outside layer, and I recommend also to get the top part of the ornament sticking towards the middle of the wreath because it'll be covered eventually through time. And I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna do that first layer out on the outside with ornaments. So as I was going along, I realized it made it a lot easier if you put 2 strips of glue on the wreath and then put some glue on the side of the ornament and attach it. That way it all sticks together. And here's what the first outer layer looks like, all complete. And now your next step is going to be to do the exact same thing into the middle circle of the wreath. So I recommend also, what I did, I kind of put more bigger balls on both the outside and the inner. That seemed to work really well for me. So here's what it looks like when the center part is all glued up together. And now we're just going to do our last and third layer. So right now I'm just kind of playing around to see how this would look all together. Eventually I did end up putting the circle, the little swirly red and gold ones in kind of the corners of the wreath. So that was strategic for me to pull all the colors together. But yeah, you just want to go ahead and put that and just do the exact same thing. And here's what it looks like when all the center is glued onto. There were still some little holes, so I went around and put some smaller ornaments to fill any gaps in there, and that's what made it completely complete. And here's the final result of what it actually looks like on my door. I absolutely love it. I think it's just so warm and welcoming, and I love it so much.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time, bye!